5 sets of 10 reps, but full reps of feet narrow, full squats. Then it's going to go from that to as many reps as possible on the handstand push-ups, same way I did last week. Bang, 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 bang. We're doing 5. No rest. Get it. So that's what we're doing, and I'm kicking it off. Yeah. Good shit. All right. I will see you guys 2 minutes while I regroup for the next thing. See you then. We are on to a war with this one. It's the 10 and down chest killer push-ups. So, without further ado, I'm going to get after it. These guys, nothing but a war. All right, let's get it. That does not get easier. Hopefully, you can kick its ass better than I can. I'm getting old, man. All right, I'll see you guys in 2 after I get everything all rearranged and set up. Have fun with that, guys. This is 8 and down. So we're going to be doing 8 pull-ups, 8 dips, 8 narrow hammer pull-ups in that middle area, 8 dips, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 4, all the way down. And when we do what would be the 1, that's going to be a max for each one, whatever the max might be. By that time, it might be completely just bleh. But it's just get as many as you can get when it's time to get that 1 after the 8 and down count. But on the back and some more chest. My chest is pretty much shot from those chest killer push-ups. But hey, we're gonna double whammy that guy. We're gonna put the smash on that guy. So with that said, let's get it. Shit. I gotta tell you, that kicked the shit out of me. Man. I hope you guys have good luck with this one. Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. And I'm gonna push. I'll see you later. This is as much for you guys as it is for me. This is self-talk time right now. We gotta dig down. We gotta dig down. We gotta stay in the fight, man. This shit's kicking the shit out of me. I'm struggling. But you know what? I'm going to stay in the motherfucking fight. So stay in it. We're almost done. We've got 3 more of on the legs now. Oh, that's so good. All right. We're doing like we did last week. 10 and 10. It's going to be 10 of the single leg Romanian deadlift guys straight to 10 of the single legs some days. Same leg. So it's left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, bang, 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 bang. Done. We're starting it now. Suck it up. Stay in it. We can do it. We're going to do it. Oh. That was pretty civilized, much needed. All right, I believe, positive, we got one more thing left. On to some core work, and this guy's in the record books. Whew. See you guys in a little. Good news is, last thing. Bad news is, it's 30 toes to bar. Get it done as fast as you can get it done. After that, seeing that it is that day 5 of the 3rd week, the last day of the week, it is going to be the flex off, pose off. I'm so wiped out. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to do it, but I'm going to do it. I've told you guys I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I got to just suck it up and do it. More self-talk. You got to have that self-talk from time to time. Anyways, I'm going to get started. Let's get this done. Whoo, baby. On to the flex off. Let's get it. Okay, guys, we are in here for the flex off. Let me tell you, I am so shot. I don't know how much of a flex off this is going to be. I'm going to try to muster it all up though for you. So, let's see what we got. Traps might be doing a little something. All right, guys. I'm toasted. Enjoy your day off. I'm going to enjoy mine. And I will see you for the beginning of next week. Next week. All right. Peace, guys.